Hi, this is Ishwar from ECA2.
ఓకే సెకండ్ అండి.
Hi everyone, let me introduce myself to you. This is Ishwar from ECA2. Today I would like to share about some interesting details about artificial kidney hemodialysis. Okay, here we go.
Artificial kidney hemodialysis. Kidneys are one of the most vital organs for the survival of a human. Filtration of urine artificially other than by kidney is called hemodialysis. In abnormal or ill health conditions like infections, injury or restricted blood flow to kidneys will reduce the function of kidney. Let's get more deep into it. This leads to accumulation of poisonous or toxic waste in the body sometimes, which can even lead to a person's death also. In case of a kidney failure patient, an artificial kidney can be used. An artificial kidney is a device which is used to remove the nitrogenous waste products from the blood through the process called dialysis. Artificial kidneys contain a number of tubes with a semi-permeable lining suspended in a tank filled with called dialysing fluid. This fluid has the same osmotic pressure as blood except that with a lack of nitrogenous waste. And one line connected to the artery is connected to the one end of dialysis device where the blood is collected from the patient for the filtration process. During the passage, the waste products from the blood passes into the dialyzer by diffusion. Purified blood is pumped back into the vein of the patient, which is connected to the other end of the dialysis device. You can see another it is connected to vein. This is similar to the function of the kidney, but it is different since there is no reabsorption involved. Normally, in a healthy adult, the intake filtrate in the kidney is about 180 liters daily. However, the volume actually excreted is only a liter or 2 a day because the remaining filtrates reabsorbed in the kidney tubules.
Okay, hope you all understand what is hemodialysis, and thank you for giving us this night and thank you for giving this nice opportunity. Have a nice day. Thank you.